How to fix the Google Assistant. Is it available for this account on your Android? So one of the first things you can try is to remove the SIM card from your phone and also turn off your Wi-Fi. And once you do that, try reopening your phone with that and see if it works, since apparently this one does work for a few. But if that still doesn't work, one thing you can do is to switch to a personal Google account. So this error does often appear when you're using a school or a work or a child managed Google account. So go ahead to your Google over here in your settings and choose the personal account. So switch to a normal Gmail account, since managed accounts can block assistant features and activity control. Another thing you can do is to go ahead into the affected account, go to your account, manage it, and go to the data and privacy. In data and privacy, you're gonna have to go into web and app activity. So it should be found over here in the my activity section and down to web and app activity. Make sure it is turned on. One other thing you can do is to go ahead into your settings again, go to your apps. You can search for apps as well if you'd like. So in our case, that's what we're gonna do, apps. And from here, you are going to search for your Google. So right here, we have Google. Then you're gonna go ahead into storage, something like this, but you don't have to do that if you have the clear data option here on the bottom right, and then just press on clear cache. You're also going to do the same for your Google Play services. Go ahead and press that, clear data and clear cache. One last thing you can check is make sure your Google is at the latest version. So you can go ahead to your Play Store, search for Google, and if there's no update option, that means you are on the latest version. Since Google Assistant setup does say that the Google app should be updated if the version is too old. Anyways, those are a few things you can try if you are having this issue. So hopefully this video can help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.